People nowadays prefer to travel by air to save time. But if you're looking forward to an unmatched luxury on wheels experience, then you can choose to travel by the exquisite luxury trains that are also a major tourist attraction in India. With 5-star hospitality and state of the art facilities on board, the Indian Railways provide some of the most exclusive and culturally rich royal experiences to their guests. So let's discuss the top 5 luxurious trains in India that allows travelers to explore the royalty, grandeur and magnificence of India. The original train in India, the Palace on Wheels, has showed Indians what luxury is all about. With a recent facelift, the train was once used as a transportation by the Nizams of Hyderabad and the kings of princely states of Rajputana, Gujarat and others. This was the first heritage luxury train put together by the Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation and introduced the charm of royal travel to Indians and foreign visitors. Today, this premium train has retained its regal extravagance and takes travelers to the heart of Rajasthan. The very sight of the royal blue train makes you feel like you're climbing aboard a noble chariot and going out for an inspection of the conquered lands. This 5-star indulgence on wheels boasts of opulently designed cabins that will leave you awestruck with their grandeur. The train takes you across various routes starting from Mumbai and Delhi, covering some stunning cities and landmarks. Managed by the Taj Group of Hotels, this train is designed to reflect the lives of Maharajas in the 16th century. An initiative of the Maharashtra Tourism, the Deccan Odyssey is the perfect amalgamation of transport and luxury. There is plenty to do on the train, from multi-cuisine restaurants serving you food to a spa for relaxing massages along with many other state-of-the-art facilities. Awarded as the world's leading luxury train title for 6 consecutive years by the World Travel Awards, the Maharajas Express is luxury beyond imagination. One can choose from 8 grand tours of India, witnessing palaces, forts and heritage properties. This princely state is built with the idea of exploring India's heritage while on board a palace. The presidential suite on the train would give any premium 5-star hotel a run for its money. An initiative by the Karnataka Tourism Board Corporation, the Golden Chariot travels to a number of World Heritage sites, making its way through the most beautiful natural wonders the country has to offer. These elegantly designed trains are equipped with facilities fit for kings, offer breakfast in bed and mesmerize you with the scenic routes. The aesthetic interiors complement the picturesque terrains through which the train travels. Each of the 11 guest cabins, named after ruling dynasties, are intricately designed with elegant Mysore-style furniture. An Ayurveda spa center, in-house fine dining restaurants and tastefully maintained ambience of the lounges are just sweet cherries on top of this very delicious cake. As the name rightly suggests, the Royal Rajasthan on Wheels takes you to the rich heritage of Rajasthan. One can experience the Rajput culture of valor and hospitality and travel through many stunning palaces and forts that were built in the Rajputana region. Upon boarding the train, one is greeted with a grand musical red carpet welcome and the warmth of hospitality that one expects from Rajasthani culture. The private cabins are no less than princely abodes with tastefully decorated interiors, imagery from the Rajputana history, all the modern facilities of a luxury hotel and fine dining experiences showcasing the most delectable gems from the region. These are some of the finest luxury trains in India. Do check the itinerary in the description and make your bookings in time. These trains are undoubtedly the best ways to experience the richness of the Indian culture and heritage. You can plan to travel on any of these Indian luxury trains and have an experience of a lifetime.